Hello from Sweden. I've been waiting for quite some time for this Team Kronos basher to be released. I ordered this from Modelsport UK. Thanks for sending it to me pretty fast. Just 4 days delivered to Sweden. Not bad. This is my first attempt at an unbox video ever, and probably the first video ever that I'm gonna speak, so please bear with me. Okay, so let's get this thing unboxed. Let me show you the box real quick. Car, radio, all the details. It's like that. Kind of looks the same in the back, so. And wow. Transmitter. Jeez, I got the car upside down. Super flat. Or something, and wow. This is beautiful. Wow. Pretty nice. You see some rubbing on the top of the body right there from the box. So please, Corelli, put some plastic right there in the future to protect it. I guess it don't matter on the basher, but still, you want it to be scratch free when you, at least for a couple of minutes. So, let me get this off. Wow. Very nice. I've seen like hundreds of pictures of this, so it's no surprise that it looks like this, but still it's quite different to feel it in your hands for the first time. It feels nice. I love it already. I guess that distinctive sound as well. I like that. Let's see what's under the body. Oh, and I like these angled body clips. Love them. Pretty cool looking, I guess. Very nice. Okay, so this is the manual, I guess. No tools, no extras. Car manual, radio manual, and an antenna tube. That's about it. We got a transmitter. Very prop Uno. Anyway, S2R 0.4. Actually feels pretty small, but maybe not. Maybe it just looks small. Doesn't have a lot of weight to it, but still, no battery, so feels alright, I guess. Not the best, not the worst. Alright. So let's check out the car some more. I'm gonna put this body away. A standard 17mm. Let me just get another one to compare to. Okay, what do we got? This is D-Boots backflip, high profile. Kind of similar. The Kronos one is a bit wider actually, but. And here we got the backflips again, low profile ones. Of course, these are larger. We got a Pro line, Badlands, of course, smaller. So anyway, it's a good size tire. The thread is really nice, in my opinion at least, and but they feel soft, so it's going to be really interesting to see how they perform. Ah. Someone really tightened this down, man. Jeez. The wheel has like a mark from the nut, seriously. I always wonder if they tighten these by hand at factory or if they use some kind of impact wrench or something. Messed up my table and everything. That one is stuck there on hard, seriously. You can see there's a mark right there from the hex nut. I'm gonna get a hairdryer or something into soften that plastic up. Okay, so no biggie getting that off, just a couple of minutes with a hairdryer, but still, it's going to be really interesting to see how they hold up. A large vent hole right there, just one, so I guess I'm going to have to change that. Just tape that off and just vent them through the rubber. So let's check the rest of the car.